Hey guys, it's Mace83AJ here. Today I'm back. I did 2 streams today. I jumped from 4 to 18 subscribers. I am coming back. I'm not gone anymore. So we're gonna catch up. I am 12 years old. I live in Michigan, in the United States. I am in 7th grade, and one of my biggest hobbies is Animal Jam at the moment, and I used to do it a lot more. But, so let's get started. So, a lot of things have happened since I was gone from YouTube and from Animal Jam. So, the most recent update came out today, and we're going to have a look at that. So today they came out with Rares Galore. It's a rare subscription box, and let's learn more about it. Winter box on sale now. What is this about? It is $23 per box, delivered every 3 months, $60 plus retail value, exclusive game code. That's pretty cool. I'd rather buy a membership though. That's pretty cool. I think it's cool. But let's go to this. Holiday wish list. It's get your wishes ready for everything. The Jamalidays. It's ready for Jamalidays to begin. The season is packed to the brim with new items and fun. Stick around and stay tuned. The Jamalidays have begun. Something wondrous is coming and drawing ever near. Coming soon to Jama, the Jamaliday deer. These jolly deer leave festive trails behind them. This winter is the only time you can find them. Diamond sale for a limited time. Jammers who visit animaljam.com. 6-month membership will issue 25 bonus diamonds, 100 total. Jammers who purchase a 12-month membership will receive 75 bonus diamonds, 250 total. This is an incredible deal. We will only be available for this Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. So that's pretty cool. Wolfanoot. The wolves of Jama have been howling more than usual. It can only mean one thing. Wolfanoot is upon us. The new holiday was invented by a creative kid who wanted to honor all things wolf. To celebrate dog lovers across Jama, all wolves, Arctic wolves, dire wolves, and pet dire wolves are on sale. The wolf fun doesn't end there. Be sure to check out awesome Wolfernut Den item as well. Refer a friend. There's brand new ways to share by inviting a friend. Blah, blah, blah. You can get new rewards from this, which is pretty cool. I think it's kind of silly how I doubt your friends would become members, but you can get a free membership, which is pretty cool. There's these new spikes and stuff. So yeah, that's how everything looks recently. I'm just gonna look at those for now. Yeah, that's old. So that's what's been up with Animal Jam recently, and this is what's up with me. This is what I have right now. This are my old items. I have these red long collar, burner glasses, bunch of Rare Mondays and such, spike, worn. How are we looking for, where's my other? So, I have a purple short collar, and I have a yellow short wristband. So that's basically what's going on with me. I have some of those. So yeah, that's basically what's been happening with me. It's been a long time. I've got new friends, I've lost old ones, and yeah, life's been pretty good recently. And happy Thanksgiving to anybody who's in the U.S. and happy holidays are coming up. So, yeah. I'll be streaming not tomorrow, which is Thursday, but Friday. I'll be streaming, and I'm going to put a video right up after this, which will be about just trade attempts, seeing what I can get for certain stuff. So, yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.